Fly with the stars, sound free. Party all day, every week.
Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. In this video, I will show you how to sew spaghetti to your dress. Also, you can download the ready-made sewing pattern from the link in the description box. And let's get started. First, place the sewing pattern piece on the right side of the fabric. Then cut the pattern piece out. Use scissors to clip where the pleats are.
Cause I don't wanna waste my time, no. I'm young and dumb and hopeless, right? But I'm bound to turn out alright, yeah. The city's really not my vibe now, so I'm moving out my parents' house, yeah. To go and live another life where my dreams don't lay down and die.
With right sides together, the front panel one and the lining. Use a small piece to make the shoulder strap. Fold each raw edge again toward the center, similar to creating a bias tape, and then fold the strap in half along the first pressed line, tucking in the raw edges. Edge stitch along the open edge to secure the strap, making sure to catch both edges, and press. Use the tape measure to measure the length of the shoulder strap pattern, and cut the cord to the length of the pattern. Then insert the shoulder strap between the two panels.
Call 1,000 times, but I'm not picking up tonight, cause I'm a bit too busy serving on smiles, having me a real good time with a drink full of bubbles. It's it bad for my health. Holy shit.
And sew a straight line 1 centimeter from the edge. Repeat for other side. Use scissors to press near the seam, taking care not to press through the seam. And clip the corners. Then turn right side out and press. Then create the pleats.
The fall is coming, I can feel it. The breeze brings goosebumps to my skin. Tonight the whiskey feels stronger. Gasoline on hidden desires. So I'll throw another log on the fire. Let it burn. Let it burn.
And sewing. Repeat for other side. Move to the front panel too. First, draw and cut the pattern on the woven interface, then iron interfacing onto the wrong side of the fabric, and then press the woven interfacing onto the interfacing. Fold the fabric in half. Then pin the under panel 2 and the panel 2 right sides together. And stitch around the outer 3 edges. Then trim 0.5 centimeters from stitching line to reduce thickness, and 1 centimeter around the other edges.
Another vice, grab my old lighter. This cigar helps me slow down.
Use scissors to clip the corners, and then turn right side out and press.
Loved and lost, my heart is full and aching strong. So I'll throw another log on the fire. Let
Next, remove the stitches as shown on the screen. Then insert the layer 1 between the two sheets of layer 2, being careful that the pieces don't get skewed. Then pin and sew close to the folded edge. Repeat for the left front panel.
Telling things are well. What facts belong, it's hard to say. Your pattern is so hard to tell. But we're together, that's our game. Round and round and round we go. The dance ain't over, I'm sure we're still the same. Love the ways you make us whole.
Next, insert the shoulder strap between the two sheets of the back. And sew a straight line of 1 cm from the edge of the fabric. Repeat for the left front panel. Then trim 0.5 cm from stitching line to reduce thickness.
Down the bottom in the hole, there's no sane ways, there's no explanations. I've got things I tend to mold.
Insert the front between the back and the back lining at the side seam. Pin and sew a straight line of 1 cm from the edge of the fabric.
Drag us out and build us up again. Put things right, let me go. No way of knowing if there's still time. Look away, what's really going on? What's really going on?
Use scissors to press near the seam, and then turn right side out and press. With right sides together the layer 1 of the skirt, and the upper dress at the waist seam, and then sew a straight line of 1 cm from the edge of the fabric. I will use bias tape to encase the raw edge. First, with right sides together the bias tape and the seam allowance, and then sew a straight line of 0.7 cm from the edge.
Look away, you just look away. Why would you say things ain't right? Would you tell me, can't you say? Please just
Flip the dress over and wrap the bias tape around the raw edge of the seam allowance, encasing the raw edge inside. Stitch the edges of the bias. Note that you are only sewing the seam allowances. The main fabric underneath is not cotton. And ironing. Move to the layer 2 of the skirt. Gather the ruffle. Set the stitch length to its longest position. Sew a loose stitch straight across the top long side of the strip. Pull the tail of thread at the end of the strip to bunch up the fabric, creating ruffles. Continue gathering the ruffles until the strips shrink down to the size of the bottom of layer 1. With right sides together, then sew a straight line of 1 cm from the edge of the fabric.
Don't wanna take it slow, just wanna let you know.
I will use bias tape to encase the raw edge.
I wanna spend some time, needed some time to grow. Just wanna let you know, ready to spend some time. I wanna spend some time.
And ironing.
Ready to talk, baby, can be your rock, baby. Please come and sit with me, or take a walk with me. I need to speak to you, just wanna be with you. Just let me take you for a ride.
Next, with right sides together, and add an invisible zipper at the center back.
Goodbye, if there's a chance, just tell me how. 'Cause time is precious, time is now. Don't wanna take it slow, just wanna let you know.
To better understand the instruction, you are welcome to watch a video on my channel.
Needed some time to grow, just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time, I wanna spend some time. No, I was dumb, baby, just way too young, baby. I was too blind to see what you meant to me. The things you can't forgive, didn't know how to live. 'Cause I didn't
Next,
know myself.
I will use bias tape to encase the raw edges.
Go back and do things right. Give you a wedding ring, give you my everything, and be there by your side. Share a life and have a child. Don't wanna take it slow, just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time, I wanna spend some time. Needed some time to grow.
Do the same things for the layer 3 of the skirt.
Ready to spend some time, I wanna spend some time. Thinking about you lately, I'm hanging on to my maybe. I miss you every day. You were the one that got away. Been thinking about you lately, I'm hanging on to my maybe. I miss you every day. You were the one who got away. Don't wanna take it slow, just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time, I wanna spend some time. Needed some time to grow, just wanna let you know. Ready to spend some time, I wanna spend some time.
Lastly, fold the edge of the fabric 1 centimeter towards the wrong side. Then sew the hem up. Press everything well and enjoy your dress. And I'm done. I hope you enjoy this tutorial and learn something new. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Bye!